up, baby? Let's see back again. Show squad. What's up, baby? So, we need you to go to the comment section and tell Dad, can I drive his cars? Because he doesn't like no one driving his cars, but my name is Dave, but he usually calls me Butt.
Butt.
Oh, gotta go.
Butt.
Yeah.
Alright squad, before we get started, this video is sponsored by She Publishing, LLC. For all your publishing needs and all your book reads, She Publishing is where it's at. So whether you're thinking about writing a book, looking at a book, or just old-fashioned reading a book, She Publishing, baby. Let's go.
Show squad. What's up, baby? Excuse for that mild interruption, but my baby, she has vision.
Show squad.
And she can take over Dad's channel anytime she likes. But driving my vehicles, not an option. You can ask the ones that's driving. You see that?
Please comment.
Alright, so today, unboxing some more stuff that came in. So, let's get right to it. On the floor. That one too, on the floor. Gently, lightly, gently. Messing up my walls, man. Ah!
I ain't doing anything yet.
Okay. Wow. So we ordered a couple of small little upgrades for the vehicles, which would be the Challenger and the Predator. So this, I don't even know what it is. Yeah, I've been ordering so much stuff. And so you guys will know as I figure it out. Alright, we're gonna
Open this.
open that baby up.
Let's open this baby up.
Okay.
And help this.
Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, so this. Oh, okay.
It feels like something that is.
Okay, bro. So just open your side like that.
Okay.
Like that. Okay. Jay, come hold this open. We on here like what's that? Not the cooking network, but the home shopping network. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So this, yeah, you gotta hold that up too. Okay, so this is the rear diffuser to the Challenger, which I think is gonna give it a more aggressive look. And for those who don't know what a rear diffuser is, I will put a picture of it.
On the white box?
You will put a picture of it when you edit it. You put a picture up there for the people that don't know what a rear diffuser is.
Yeah.
But I'm going to try to explain it. What it is it's the part under the bumper, the little casing or the little plastic part that covers like the mufflers or the exhaust part of it. So we will show you a picture of that. I think this is carbon fiber is what I think I ordered. So that's what this is.
Yeah, I remember.
You know what I mean? It got screws and stuff, so
Yeah,
I don't really want to unwrap it. So all the pieces can be there. I don't want no mishaps or anything like that.
Jada, be serious.
Come on. So that's what this box is. So we will be getting this put on
The challenge.
charger. This is for the charger. So we got any markers or something? Oh, I got that.
So, yeah. Taking over it again.
Next
box. So this is gonna be the bigger boxes. But
Jay, you gotta watch the ball.
But you know, so
You're gonna be a painter. You're gonna be a painter real early in your life. Just love messing with my walls. Okay.
okay, the next
This
box.
is the next box.
So this is the second box. I can't wait to see what's inside.
Okay. So let's go ahead and see. I need a razor blade, but the razor blade I got on hand right now is pretty dull.
Yeah.
So I gotta use scissors.
You need a serious.
Watch out, Bubba, because I don't want to cut you. You don't do that. You don't do that.
Guys, let's open this baby.
Okay. Oh, this I've been wanting to get for a very long time, squad. This is the louvers. The rear louvers for the Challenger. It goes right in the rear,
Jada, come on.
the rear window. It's the louver. Okay. This is what it looks like. So say louver. Okay, so this is what this is.
That
You know when that stuff come in, squad, I'm gonna, let y'all know stuff like this. Cause I still gotta take the stuff to have the people install it. But when they deliver it, I say, hey, why not show the squad? You know what I mean? Well, that's that. Jada, get the other little joint.
So you better subscribe and like and share about what we're showing you.
Alright. Also, squad, this
This is so flat.
What?
This is so flat. What is it?
I don't know. So I'm trying to find out.
Is it a paper? Is it like paper that you can write on?
Yeah. So, like I was saying, I forgot what I was saying because I was interrupted. But we're gonna open this
Yes.
to see what this is because I don't know what it is. You know what I mean?
It's
We're
gonna
gonna
be a
open
piece
it
of paper.
and see what it do. You understand what I'm
What it
saying?
does. Bye.
Nah. Look. Jada, can you give me a garbage bag? Over there.
Do you have to rip all of them?
Over there.
Do you have to rip all of them or?
Yeah. Matter of fact, hold it on. Kobe!
Why would you do that? That was disrespectful. You missed.
Yeah,
that was disrespectful. And you got 3 pictures over here of him. You disrespected him just now. I hope you know that.
That was a little light piece of paper. It was nothing.
Which went farther than you intended it to go.
Nah, squad, since they tripping, squad, what we gonna do Cause I got a court down here, you understand what I'm saying? We gonna go in the court, shoot these jumpers since they talking crazy. Cause that ain't even that. You tell you got this follow talk.
That was disrespectful. You can't do that.
Like your boy can't hoop.
You can't. You can. Obviously, you can't.
Yes, he can. Yes, he can. He been playing basketball.
Tell us, Bubba.
Hey, when was the last time you saw Daddy play basketball like, in real life?
When me, you, Jada, and Jasmine and Dad came. So subscribe if you think that is true. So let's watch my dad. I don't know what's watching paper. Oh, you can't.
Alright. What y'all doing?
Nothing.
Wait, Bubba.
Daddy. I want my real name.
No.
Continue to this box, baby.
This is a real crazy little box, man. Like,
Come on, keep opening it. No, I know what it is.
you know what it is?
What is it?
I can't tell the story. I knew it was gonna be this.
I don't
No,
know.
you didn't.
Oh snap! Does this go to the? Yeah, I think I forgot to drop this part off. Yep. This goes to the channel. This goes to the
Have you
channel.
ever seen this before? Tell me in the
You're not supposed to. Oh.
Sarah
Go to
comment.
Damn!
So this is what it looks like.
So I gotta
And on the
take
back, it looks like that.
You couldn't see it.
I don't know what is this. This looks like a knife.
Okay. Alright, so squad, this is the wicker build for the spoiler.
So what does it do?
Huh?
What does it do?
Huh?
What does it do?
Huh?
What does it do?
This just makes the car look.
Spicier.
Yeah, we're gonna go with that.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Spice.
We're gonna go with that.
So, yes.
Okay. Alright, so. This kind of a different time. What is this one for? Is this one for?
That is the only one, isn't it? So, the camera girl, she's not paying attention.
She sure not. She trying to do a TikTok in the middle of a show squad video.
No, why?
I'm docking your pay.
I'm not even on
I'm
TikTok.
docking- yes, you
Look,
are.
I'm not. I'm recording you. Alrighty then. What you mean I'm not paying attention? I'm recording you.
Good, because I was about to dock your pay.
You already got my pay a long
You
time
was
ago.
gonna take all your money. This means money.
So that was just a little short video to reveal some of the stuff that came in.
Yeah, but we will
We got
something tomorrow.
We got more stuff coming and more videos like this. You understand what I'm saying? And introducing.
So, yo.
Squad.